Hi, I'm Jada. This is Siri. This is our little doggies. This is Latte and Lana. Our van, his name is Logan.
This content is sponsored by Outdoorsy. Through Outdoorsy, you can rent your camper van out to make extra cash, and you can rent a van to try van life before you commit.
Logan is a 2018 Mercedes Sprinter long wheelbase.
So at the beginning, we just want a van, for more like, basically for the weekends or for vacation, because we live in Seattle, Washington. However, things have changed since the COVID hit, and we decided to simplify our life and started to live in a van.
I quit my job. She quit her job.
We quit our corporate job. We're still working. We are digital nomads. Both of us are doctors. She's a cardiologist, a heart doctor. I'm a nephrologist, a kidney doctor. We work remotely. So as long as we have internet service, we're good to go.
Start at the front of the van. This is, I call my office space. So I got a spiral seat here, and I can flip it back, and this is a flip on deck. This is my laptop with the extra monitor, and I have the V-Burst and Wi-Fi booster. I spend most of my time working here in the front. I need my the second monitor so I can work having images on one screen and having my reporting platform on one screen. That works well for me.
Alright guys, first and foremost, a shower. Because we're from Thailand, we have to shower at least twice a day. So living in a van, I think it's small space, but still we gotta have it, okay? So first is a hose. Oh my goodness, it's dipping. Anyways, you can take a proper shower in here or outside the van. And with two dogs, so we have to bathe them as well. So it's easy for us to just shower them right outside here. You can do like a hot water or cold water. We do have the water heater, so it's a plus. So we love it. The good thing is that I'm tiny, so you can spend maybe 5 minutes in here, and when you take shower, so it drains, straight down to the gray water tank here. Yeah, and and then we do have dimmable light here, so you can dim the light here, and we have a small mirror. I show it to you, and we put like a magnet behind so you can just snap it right here. Yeah, so we gotta have mirror, so you want to look pretty. We have a nature's head composting toilet, and at first I was skeptical because I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but actually it turns out it's working well for us and for our lifestyle, and having a toilet in the van is a must for us. And to be honest with you, I don't smell at all. No smell. Alright, so this is our kitchen space. Because I love cooking so much, so we're gonna have two big countertops here, and you can see how spacious it is. And below us we have 4 big doors, and first one is mine, the second one is for Siri. I'm not gonna show you guys mine because it's not that organized. I'm gonna show you hers. So it looks pretty neat, I think. This is where I keep my vacuum and cookware. Alright, so we're gonna have the vacuums, when you travel with dogs, so you want to keep your van neat and tidy. So this is my favorite tool. A microwave, obviously. So I thought I would regret having it because it eats up some space, but actually no, not at all. I love having it. It uses amount of power, but we don't need to use it for a long time. I use it short time, so maybe 2-3 minutes at a time. Above me here, this is a King Tech AC, low voltage, 12 volt. We can run it all day long. You don't need a hookup, right? We do need this, you know, in the hot summer day, especially when you travel with dogs. So we want to keep the temperature in the van, you know, cool down. So the panel over here, we have the power monitor, and this is heater control. All right, so what we have here, we have like 6 overhead, you know, cabinet, you know, a lot of storage here. What we have, and this is one of my favorites, because we store our, you know, doggies food and treats and everything. This is our kitchen galley. So we have like a flipping table, so you know, give you more space and to cook, and our wine rack. And so Siri, you know, she's installed this one, so this is very good and handy. This is isotherm fridge. All right, 130. Okay, so you know, we can stock our food for, you know, a whole week. So basically we shop for you know, once a week, so that should be enough. So this is Dometic stove top, and then we have 2 burners, and it works well. However, I wish I could have like a bigger sink. Yeah, it turned out that I cook too much, so I wish I would have a bigger sink, so that would be more convenient for me. Right over here, this is my pantry where we keep all the dry food and, you know, coffee. This is the panel where I monitor, you know, like fresh water and when we're gonna fill the water. This is a gray water tank monitor, so it shows us, you know, when the tank gets full. We have the water heater switch here, so it's on demand, and the water heater tank is just right here. So the first one here, we, you know, where we keep our utensils and knife and stuff here. Then this is our, you know, junk door, you know, all the tools and, you know, matches. Oh, this is my favorite. This is waste management door where I keep all the towels and liners. This is our living area. You know, we do need a space during a day because we gotta work, right? But it converts to a bed too. So let me show it to you. This is hydraulic table. You just have to loosen it here, the hash, and just press it down. Ooh. Like this. I didn't expect that, but okay. So then you just have to lock it, right? And then you just have to move this part. Yeah, it will take you pretty much like less than 5 minutes, and you just stack them. Once we have a platform here, this is where we keep, you know, all the beddings, linens, so we just have to, you know, cover it. And yeah, so under the couch here, oops, okay, good. So we have, you know, like a lot of storage, and this is for our electric. We have 500 amp hour of lithium battery. To charge our battery, we have 640 watts of solar on the roof. Over here, we have 30-gallon water tank, and right here is a water pump. And here, this is a fuel port. We have, again, you know, extra space that we keep, you know, our outdoor chairs here, and electrical cord right here, and then, you know, our firewood here. Thank you so much for checking out our van. So we have so much fun today, and hope to see you guys on the road. If you like to follow us, so you can check out our account, Instagram account at Vansogram. Thank you so much, and bye.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you hadn't noticed, we do sell an ebook for how to convert a van. It has over 190 pages of detailed instructions and diagrams, also 25 video tutorials which are specifically for the ebook buyer. Creating a van for many people is obviously a really intimidating project, but I really believe, and I've seen it time and time and time again, that with the right information, anyone can turn out with a pretty decent van conversion. So check the link in the description, subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and drop us a comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.